At the district assembly police station where the former president and he's accompanied by the incumbent MP for the area, who is also the NDC parliamentary candidate for the Bole Bamboy constituency.
Good morning, how are you?
What he has to do to make sure that so when he's about to speak about Inshallah.
19 left.
He has been disenfranchised. And all the rest people
So you verify your
she has been wrongly added to special voters. No, I am check this one for me.
This is
Next.
Here at Bole Bamboy District Assembly polling station, we have 371 registered voters at this polling station. It is one of 115 polling stations across the Bole Bamboy constituency. Hello. Yes.
That's my spec. So you can use your thumb or any finger, but I'll use my thumb. Yeah. And then you go like that. Yeah. Then what you do is you have to clean your hand so that the ink will dry. Otherwise, if you try to fold it again, it will mark another place. So you go like that. Ready to cut.
371 registered voters
Yes, sir. Alright, so what you're seeing is the flag bearer for the NDC, John Mahama.
And in terms of the parliamentary contest, it is between the NDC and MPP. This constituency has been a very safe place for the NDC since 1992. The former president, now flag bearer of the NDC, himself has been a member of parliament here from 96 to 2008. So if you've just joined us, you are watching the flag bearer of the NDC, John Dramani Mahama, going through the process, casting his vote.
Sure.
And I believe soon after this he will be
Sure.
No. That's Bombay, here.
Let's go.
Congratulations, probably, maybe in order for casting your ballot. How did you see the process?
Show them your card.
Yes. And the name is not there, including our grandmother.
And in her case, her name is in the special voters list. No, she hasn't applied for that. Now allow him to go because the name is there. And the name
flag bearer for the NDC. How do you find the process so far?
You just cast your ballot. How did you see the process? I counted a minute. You did it in less than 3 minutes.
Yes.
How do you see the process?
Well, there was no queue, and that is usual of this polling station. I've voted here since 1992, and the process has been very simple, very smooth. And so, I mean, I voted presidential, parliamentary, and as you said, under 3 minutes. Yeah.
Not sure you've done any monitoring yet, but what do you pick generally? I'm sure you've been speaking to your team on the ground. What do you pick up generally?
It's too early yet to make an assessment, but there are a few hitches. Like, I mean, this polling station, there's a lady here. She's got her card. Her card is from this station, but her name is not on the list. One of my security personnel, I registered here with him, and during the exhibition, we checked his name was there, but we got here today, his name is not there. And so, I don't know if it's a generalized problem, but like I said, it's too early yet to make an assessment.
You're going to get that rectified, is it?
We don't know. We're waiting to find out what the electoral presiding officer will say, and we hope that they can rectify it. But these are some of the little things that we kept complaining about. I mean, the Electoral Commission said they had eliminated 30,000 names from the register without saying whose names they were. And I said that on the day people are going to come without knowing that their names have been taken off. Because if you take their names off, you must give them a reason why you've taken their names off. So now one of my security details' name is not there. He's got his card. He registered here, exhibition, his name was there. We don't know what accounts for that.
Talking about challenges, last night we got some indication, some release from the Electoral Commission that had to do with the Bole constituency. I'm sure that has come to your notice. What do you make of it?
Well, I haven't picked anything up. I didn't hear anything about
that there will be the presidential elections, but because of the creation of the Bole Assembly or whatsoever, they are unable to
you
do
said Bole.
the parliament. Yes, Bole, not here. Bole constituency. Bole in the OT region.
Bole is having both presidential and parliamentary. It is
Bole. Yes. So there will not be the parliamentary in a Bole constituency.
Yeah, we've always known that because the processes for creating the constituency were not completed, and so they can't have parliamentary elections. But we have always known that they're going to have presidential elections alone. Yeah.
Finally, His Excellency, my name is Ridwan. I work with GH1 TV. What are your expectations in the next few days?
That it should go smoothly and that there should be no incidents. The way you saw the atmosphere here, I hope that is going to be the case all over the country. And if that happens, it means voting will go smoothly. And I hope that counting and collation will follow the same pattern.
Your Excellency, you have information about the process.
Yes. Well, elections are made up of before, during, and after. We had reservations about the before. Now we're in the during. And so we're still waiting. Well, it's very early yet. It's only 10. We don't know what will start happening after a few hours, and so let's wait and see. Good morning. Oh, well, the polling station, Matoa has since 1992. Now you had maybe a son economy, maybe a costly Basabasa Bienia, Obanswa, you have say normally but to send it at to line and access and I'm marrying, and it's gone as I expected. But you bet you and near possible maybe I think I'm about 10 and young Ruby behind your chance and never.
You mentioned that
observation so far, Mammy Bako, Botanica, but and may secret meaning the register because on the buy and register exhibition they bet you in the so nearby anything.
Any reason they say, what will you do?
If what happens?
If it progresses and issues continue to pop up, what will be your stance?
Well, what will be our stance? I mean, it will depend on what comes up, and it will depend on how widespread it is. And so it's very difficult to preempt and say what you will do when you don't know exactly what is going to happen, the nature of what is going to happen.
But some of the issues have started missing some traces, verification machines, not picking people. These are issues that have already started coming in.
It means we stand vindicated. These are the issues we're warning the EC about. Remember I said that on the day, it's possible that their verification machines might not work because they failed to deploy and test them during the exhibition. They tested only 5,000 of them. We have almost 40,000 polling stations. And so I was cautioning that on the day, these are some of the things that will happen. 30,000 names taken out. They didn't tell us who they are. Who knows? My security man might be one of those whose names was taken out. He's come here. His name is not on the register, but he's got his card. He registered here. He came for the exhibition. His name was there. So how his name is not there, we cannot tell. But like I'm saying, we cannot yet see the scale of it. It's only 10 a.m. and we're still receiving reports from all our polling stations because we have our agents reporting any incidents that happen. And so until I get an appraisal of it, then we know whether it's a very widespread thing or if there's a pattern to it or it is just a one-off incident. Yeah, go ahead. I'm a passer elections were already. Elections were Kadaga, Skama, Kabatomu, Nanti, Kadaga, Kaba, Kenya News for the next 4 years. Meeting Tomu Kadaga Skama Mare Eller and Batum. Amos Skama Wekabe Kabenu and Kilgi FM. No John Mahama, John Dramani Mahama and Amalgana. Metro BKK, Billar Lindiri, and Bumba 2 million na anti local election na kankani kuswe eberbemra. Oh, okay. My polling station number first, District Assembly. Kuswe Kanu ele Basanyo bo Atramota. But Mountain Pin Kuswe Kabeyo other polling stations. So say na any information from other police stations na Kenko Balo Kusufim Bikuna Ko Kala Kuswe Kakoto na Antimpin Kusanya Kaya.
La logo bumbishi, an fune fubu asufufu, mbanyeto kusufufu bengi fune. Kibina bro futi so Cairo sange. So for now confident malangu fa kan fa yo sange be mun le so ka fu ori nimsa. No sunaji ni ade ka ora mo.
Be ebore na sekura. Enye fene nebor shuli. Inshallah. Anyenji nasara. Am so kumu nasara na. Nanti anyini na pengiwe nka to pray.
To asan kusunga. Bye yo.
Across the country. What are your chances?
Well, it's too early yet to make an assessment. We don't know what the pattern is yet. But we have a few incidents which are normal with any election. The second thing is not working. People's names, missing in the register. I just hope that it's not a widespread problem. But we wait and see. In my polling station, everything went smoothly. I voted. There was no and we met an old lady whose name is not in the register. But then they explained to her that her name was in the special voting register. But she didn't apply for special voting. She's not an official. She's not with the media. She's not with the register. So how her name could be on the special voting register? And then one of my security officials, my bodyguards, I registered at this polling station with him because he came with me when I came to register. And so he registered here because we knew that today he'll be here with me. Exhibition, we checked, his name was there. But today we came, his name is not there. He's got his voter's card, everything. So I don't know what to make of it, but we're waiting to see what the presiding officer will say. But these are the few things we've picked up.
Overall, how would you describe the process? Was it smooth for you?
Oh, for me, at my polling station, it was smooth. And I've voted here since 1992. It's one of the best polling stations in the country.
Thank you. Fadila, you want to make say a word on behalf of your father? All right. Thank you very much and good luck.
My handle. All the best, everything.
Okay.
I mean, look at it. Look at the atmosphere.
I mean, but some would say that this is his home constituency, so it's understandable the excitement.
Oh, no. Not because
ground.
of his hometown. Not because of his hometown. Even down south.
It's massive development.
Even down south.
Okay.
Look at what this man did during his time. He did a lot.
Okay.
And he's coming back.
Okay. Thank
And
you.
he's coming back.
All right.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone. But you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Mahama One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.